The project right now is that we have partnered between Quality, Healthy at Home, and Cabarrus Family Medicine. Dr. Robinson's the lead investigator on this project. And we are looking at how can we improve the diabetic outcomes on patients, in particular with hemoglobin A1Cs greater than 9, and how can we positively impact, or can we positively impact, access into the medical home.
We took a mid-level practitioner who went into the home of patients after discharge with our electronic record, and she did a post-hospital visit right there with the patient and updated the electronic med list. And I learned from that the ultimate med reconciliation is done on the kitchen table. What patients are really, let's get your bottles out, and you'll see that they're taking 2 statins because they got changed in the hospital, or they're not even taking what they're supposed to be on. So she really cleaned up the med list, and we found a lot of patients had trouble with their meds. So that's in the back of my mind saying, wow, the real med rec is what are they doing at home.
And we use the iPad and the FaceTime on iPad to do virtual visits. Again, because we're trying to do access into the medical home. We have the iPads where the care team members have iPads. The patients in this last group also have iPads, and they connect via FaceTime. So we're doing virtual visits. The care team members can see into refrigerators, into cabinets. The diabetic educator is sitting in her office working with people saying, show me your plates, and we can look at the plate size, how things are set on your plate. They can pull things out of the refrigerator and review nutrition labels together. And we're starting to see some really good results. People can take the equipment with them. We have people that travel and have not been able to get in to see all these members of the care team. Well, you can take your iPad and your monitor with you, and you can call in from anywhere. Actually, the iPad with the Honeywell monitor is Plan B, and it's working very, very well. We started out with this higher tech thought and ran into a lot of challenges and issues in multiple settings. We tried it here in Charlotte, we tried it up at Cabarrus Family Medicine offices, we tried it from a car on the road because that's where our patients are. And so we tried it from those different areas, and it just wasn't working well. So we kind of dropped back, and then somebody in IS said, oh, gee, we should just use iPads or something. I went, you know, maybe, can we do that? And we started going back, and we put together 2 pieces of maybe a little bit lesser technology, but putting the 2 of them together has come up with something that really has worked very, very well.
One of the offshoots of the space program was Velcro, along with Tang and all that other stuff we grew up with. But so we say at our meetings, okay, what's the Velcro here? What have we learned along the way? And what we've learned is that there's all these reasons people are non-compliant. There's a huge differential diagnosis to non-compliance, and one of the big ones is, I can't afford to come in. I can't afford my medicines.